Alright, so in this video we are going to look at how to make custom Weldment profiles. So we'll start by going to the Weldment profile directory and then make some changes. Weldment profiles. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a duplicate of one of these folders and then edit what is inside. So let me make a copy. So rename it to whatever that we want. So from here we are going to make edit to one of these library feature files. So I want to make edits to the pipe, so I'll delete the rest. Alright, so from here I'm going to open this file and then make edits to the sketch. But because it's a read-only file, you cannot just double click to open, because when you double click it's going to give you this and you cannot open it because there's no app to open it. So what you're going to do here is you're going to drag. So with Solidworks already open, we're going to drag this file. So I mistakenly clicked Adobe. So we are going to drag this file into Solidworks and then click. So from here you are going to see the profile. So this is a feature part because of this small icon on the sketch. So we are going to edit the sketch. So I want to edit it to 20. And then 3. So this is in millimeters. Okay. So what you can realize here is that this pipe has different configurations, and the name of this configuration is this. So you can see a number of configurations. So you are going to rename this configuration. So we are going to rename it to the dimension that we set. So 20 by, let's say, 3. Okay. So we have other configurations as well. So you can choose to delete this configuration or keep it inside the file. So I'm going to keep it. So with this, you are only going to, you can change the sketch if you want. So you can change the sketch to whatever you want, any custom profile, and then later save it. But we are only going to save for, we are only going to use the circular profiles. Okay. So I'm going to save it. So you realize that we are not able to save it here in the folder we created. So I'm going to save it on my desktop and then later copy and paste it inside the folder. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. Okay. So I'll go back to my desktop. So you can see here. So I'll just copy or I'll cut. Let me cut, and then we are going to paste here. Okay, so you see it has been pasted. So you are going to delete the first one. Okay, so now let's see if it works. So go back, new. So open the Weldment. So you can see my sizes, the type, pipe 1, and then the size. So you can see the first one we created and then the other configurations. So groups. Okay, so now when you check the dimension, you can see 20, 14. Alright, so that is how to make a custom Weldment profile in Solidworks.